What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. It has been quite some time since I last reviewed a luxe bag, so today I'm back with a wallet on chain review because you know I'm a wallet on chain kind of gal, and we're looking at the Interlocking wallet on chain from Gucci. So a little backstory about the bag. If you're from the Greater Toronto area, you might be familiar with the Toronto Premium Outlets in Halton Hills, and I stumbled upon Gucci the last time I went. I'm not one to usually shop at designer outlets, primarily because I like the return policy and the product range that you get at the standalone stores. Most designer outlets have a more restrictive return policy, and obviously their product range is a little bit more outdated and also more limited. But nonetheless, I decided to give Gucci a shot since I was already at the outlets, and obviously I was not disappointed. There were quite a few really nice pieces there, but mind you, they were all from previous seasons, and then aside from that, I went in kind of knowing what I wanted, so when I found something that tickled my fancy, I was pretty much good to go. If you're willing to take the time to dig through some pieces and find what really appeals to you, I would definitely recommend going even just for a little day out. Because the bag is no longer on the Gucci website, you would not be able to find the description for it there, but I was able to find something on Google. So this is the black interlocking Gigi Gucci wallet on chain. The exterior is made of black pebbled leather. It has a flap closure with a silver interlocking Gigi logo clasp. Its shoulder strap is approximately 22 inches and it is removable and silver. It measures 7.5 inches length by 4.5 inches height. It has an interior zip pocket and it also has a full-length open main compartment. It has 18 credit card slots with 10 on the front wall, 8 on the back wall. So it is obviously a wallet on chain with that flexibility of being both a clutch with its removable strap, and also you can just tuck it in if need be. So it can be a clutch and a wallet on chain, which you guys know is totally my jam. If you're not new here, you know that flexibility and versatility is so my vibe. I love when accessories have the ability to be used in different ways so that you can style them differently and use them differently. And obviously when it comes to designer and luxury items, you also want to make sure that you're making the most of your purchase. Now, before I keep babbling on, as we know I do, let's get on into the unboxing. It comes in this Gucci bag, and if I'm not mistaken, standalone stores for Gucci have not changed their packaging in terms of the bag they give you your purchase in. I believe this is just unique to the outlets. So it does come in this black Gucci bag, and then the box that the purchase comes in is the standard and very classic Gucci box. I just love the look. They're so minimalistic and so classy, and the material that they're made from is also very nice and luxurious. It really sets the tone and makes you excited to open your purchase. I'm so out of breath. I haven't done this filming thing in a while and I forgot how hard it is to breathe. Side of the box, you have got the iconic Gucci dust bag. If you are not a dust bag user, my friend, you definitely need to get on that. They are always a nice touch to see in your box, but at the end of the day, they're given for a reason, and they really do make a difference when you're storing your bags, especially if you have them in storage for some time, either during seasons or just in between bags. It's really important to store them in your dust bag. It's a nice little protective layer. They're so soft and luxurious, so they will definitely keep your bag nice, safe, and secure while they're in storage. When you pull the bag out, it has this little protective layer of packaging just to ensure that there is no chance for it to get scratched up before you actually get to open it. But here it is. It's so pretty. So this is the interlocking Gucci wallet on chain. It has that gorgeous pebbled leather exterior, and I am such a fan of pebbled leather. I love the texture of it and the look of it. You can also see that this clasp over here is silver, so that is exactly what I was looking for. I was looking for a black and silver bag. I know black and gold is a lot more accessible, especially at a lot of designer stores, whether it's Gucci, YSL. A lot of the collections incorporate more gold hardware, I find. Gucci really does do a good job in incorporating silver into their bags, but if you're not new to my channel, you know that I do have pieces from a few of their collections, so I didn't want to get anything that was too similar to what I already have. So this bag has the perfect balance of both being a newer bag to my collection as well as giving me what I was looking for in terms of the black and silver. I absolutely love the structure of the bag as well. It is able to kind of stand alone, especially when it's full. And I really like that because, especially if you're planning on wearing it as a clutch, it's not something that's just gonna kind of flip-flop around or you're always gonna have to lay it down. It does have the ability to stand like this, which I think makes it so much classier, so much more different from what I already have, and it's just gorgeous. On the inside of the bag, I'm not gonna take the packaging off just yet, but you have the strap. It is attached to the bag at the moment, and you can see that the clasp of it, it's not really like a lobster clasp, it's just this little, I forgot the term for it, I can't remember, but please let me know in the comments if you know what it's called. It has these removable little elements over here that will allow you to easily take off the strap, which is perfect because you're not restricted to just having to shove the strap inside the bag. If you want to wear it as a clutch, you can actually take it off and make sure that you still have the real estate inside the bag for all of your little goodies. But as you can tell, according to the description, the strap is more of like a silvery gold, and that is definitely very true. It really depends on, I guess, what kind of jewelry and accessories you're wearing and what hardware or what metals are already incorporated into your outfit. I feel like that's what's gonna bring out whether the silver or the gold shows through more for the strap. And then on the inside of the bag, you do have this gold zipper. As mentioned, there are quite a few card slots. There are a bunch on the back of the bag and then some on the front as well. Then you've got this giant pocket over here, which is actually perfect. I do have an iPhone 8 Plus, which is due for an upgrade, but we won't talk about that. The size of it is perfect for this bag. It doesn't spill over and make it difficult to close the bag, and there is actually still room to throw in like a lip gloss or something, and you can also still comfortably fit any sort of cash or cards, and you don't have to worry about your bag kind of exploding at the seams. I know a lot of people have asked me in previous videos whether 8 Pluses or just like iPhone Pluses would fit, and in something this compact, there is still space for an iPhone 8 Plus or an iPhone Plus, which is really, really great because you're not having to really compromise that compact size and that classic structure while also being able to fit all of your stuff in it. So that's really, really important to me, and I'm sure a lot of you as well. This baby is perfect to wear on a casual night out during the day. You can wear it as a crossbody. You can also do the same kind of thing that you can do with a lot of their other wallet on chains and just kind of double the strap. When you do that, you give yourself a few other options. So you can then wear the bag as kind of like a shoulder bag. It would be a little bit longer. Or if you're really into that short little vintage bag vibe that's so trendy right now, you can also do that just by pulling on the strap a little bit more. One thing I do advise though is if you are planning on kind of shifting the straps around a little bit and playing around with that, be careful. You don't want to damage the leather at all, especially on the inside, because while the chain is scratching against it, it can compromise the leather. So just be wary of that. But aside from that, I think this bag is so, so beautiful. It is such a versatile piece. And I know I say this in probably all of my wallet on chain videos, but that's exactly why I like wallets on chains. They are just so durable and versatile. You're able to fit all of your necessities in there and then some. I honestly fill mine to the brim, and they never look like they're exploding, and they always have what I need. So it's just a perfect blend. You don't have to worry about carrying a bag that's too big and it gets really hefty and annoying. This is the perfect size and it holds everything that you could need while still looking cute. So like I said, because the bag is no longer on the Gucci website, I'm not actually able to see the retail price to share with you. I will share though that I got it for around $9.99 plus tax at the Gucci outlet. So that is really, really good. I did see somewhere on Google that there was a retail price for this bag for $1,200 plus tax, but I'm not sure if that was a consignment store or that was a secondhand store. But whatever it is, I did get it for around $1,000 plus tax, which I think is an absolute steal for how versatile it is and the fact that it was exactly what I was looking for in terms of being a wallet on chain, being black and silver, and being able to hold everything that I need. I was willing to compromise the newness or trendiness of it. It is a brand spanking new bag, but it's obviously not the most updated in-season bag anymore. But Like I said, I like it because it has more of an evergreen look. It is a very classic combination with the silver and black, and I feel like you can't really go wrong with the wallet on chain. I really do love that it doesn't have too much going on, that it's gonna make it harder to style if you're dressing it down or dressing it up. It is very, very easy to style with the way that it looks. Its design is super nice. It's not too vintage looking or too retro looking, nor is it too modern looking, so I feel like I'll get a really, really good use out of it, and I'm already so excited to style it. You're more than welcome to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle right here. I'm always using the wallet on chains that you guys have seen here. Definitely follow me on Instagram. Let's be friends, and you guys can check out what I'm using on a day-to-day as well as how I style them. Aside from that, I hope you loved this unboxing. I'm so happy to be back and reviewing some luxury goodies for you guys. If you have anything specific that you want to see, let me know in the comments below. And as always, please subscribe if you want to see more. I do have a few more reviews on the way, so don't worry, you won't have to wait as long. But thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Thank you.